Hi everyone, I'm going to demonstrate for you exercise 15 from chapter 4 of the Dubnik and Pereira textbook. This is an exercise that deals with inventory valuation for a particular company at the end of its fiscal year. The company in question is Beach Corporation, which has 3 finished products, namely Product 101, Product 202, and Product 303. Now these products relate to 3 different product lines. So the table gives us information as to the selling price and the historical cost. Historical cost for Product 101 is $130, for 202 it's $160, and for Product 303 it's $100, and selling price for Product 101 is $160, for 202 it's $140, and for Product 303 it's $100. And the company expects to incur selling cost equal to 5% of the selling price on each of the products. So what will be the carrying amount of the inventory at the end of year 1? We are going to compare the historical cost with net realizable value and take the lower of those 2 values. How do we obtain net realizable value? Well, net realizable value is the selling price less the cost to sell. And as the problem informed us, the cost to sell is equal to 5% of the selling price. So let's go ahead and calculate the cost to sell for each of the 3 products. So for Product 101, I'm going to multiply the selling price of $160 by 5%. So the cost to sell for Product 101 is $8. And I do the same calculation for products 202 and 303, and I have the respective cost to sell of $7 and $5 for those products. Now I will calculate the net realizable value for each of the 3 products. So for Product 101, the net realizable value is $152, and I'll do the same calculation for the other 2 products. So we see net realizable value of $133 for Product 202 and $95 for Product 303. So now we're going to make the determination of lower of cost or net realizable value for each of the 3 products. And so we see that for Product 101, the lower of cost or net realizable value is historical cost of $130. So that will be the value of the inventory Product 101 at the end of the year. For Product 202, historical cost is $160 and net realizable value is $133. The lower of those 2 values is the net realizable value of $133. So that will be the new value of the inventory for Product 202 at the end of the year. And we'll do the same procedure for Product 303, historical cost of $100 versus net realizable value of $95. So the lower of those 2 values is the net realizable value of $95. Okay, so now we can sum up those 3 amounts to get the new carrying amount of the inventory for the end of the year for Beach Corporation. So we have a new carrying value of $358. And that is lower than the historical cost of the 3 products. So this company, Beach Corporation, will need to write down its inventory to the new carrying amount of $358. So the amount of the write-down will be $32. The journal entry will involve a debit to inventory loss in the amount of $32 and a credit to inventory in the amount of $32. There is a continuation to this exercise. It's exercise 16, and we'll look at how to solve exercise 16 in the next video.